Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to unblock numbers on your VIVO X300. So if you blocked any number by accident and you want to unblock it, it's very simple and I'll show you how to do it. So open up your phone app and look for the phone number you have blocked. As you can see, blocked phone number. So to unblock it, in here you'll see the settings button. Click on it and here you can see an unblock numbers. So basically just click on it and right now the number is unblocked. So that's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.